Hey there, let's dive into our Interstate Batteries lithium marine lineup. First, we offer two 12-volt deep cycle lithium batteries, the Group 24M with 60 amp hours and the Group 27M with 100 amp hours. These are ideal for powering all your marine accessories. You can connect them in series to increase voltage or in parallel to boost capacity, depending on your needs. Next, we have a dual-purpose 12-volt lithium battery. This versatile option provides 100 amp hours and can deliver up to 1,000 starting amps for 5 seconds. It's a great replacement for your starting battery, suitable for both deep cycling and starting. Finally, we offer a Group 31 deep cycle battery configured in either 24-volt 60 amp hour or 36-volt 50 amp hour. These are perfect for trolling motors or other accessories requiring higher voltages. Instead of using two 12-volt lead-acid batteries for a 24-volt trolling motor or 3 for a 36-volt motor, you can switch to a single lithium battery preset to these voltages. This change reduces weight, helps your boat plane faster. For extended runtime, you can connect up to 4 units in parallel for extra capacity. Whether you're an avid fisherman wanting to reduce weight and save space, or you enjoy running your accessories with the engine off, these batteries are a smart choice. Plus, our lithium marine batteries are built for marine environments, featuring IPX7 water protection to handle wet conditions. Always remember to use a lithium-compatible onboard charger set to your specific voltage. Thanks for watching. For more information about our lithium marine batteries, check the link below.